Just got back from dropping off my son at school, and right now I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my free time, even though he's only at school for a couple hours. I have so much in my head that I want to get done, and then I get overwhelmed and then I don't do any of it. But there's just so much I want to do, and I only have a short amount of time to do it. I think I want to declutter his toys while he's at school because I've been in a decluttering mood. I guess it's spring cleaning, I don't know, but I've been in the mood to just get rid of everything. Been thinking of decluttering his toys while he's at school, that way he can't tell me that he wants to keep everything. So he doesn't really play with a lot of his toys anymore since he starts school and he's getting older. I also really want to declutter my makeup room because I also have a lot of things that I need to get rid of that I don't use and I don't need. I feel like I should do the toys first and then do the makeup room after. Yeah, I also need to clean the bathroom, and I also need to eat. I haven't eaten anything yet. And I also just kind of want to sit down and have like some time to myself, some quiet time to myself. But like I said, there's just a lot of things that I want to do. Anyways, I'm rambling, so let's go declutter his toys. Here is our coffee table, Exhibit A. This is why I need to declutter. These are all the toys and things that he doesn't use. And then we have this corner, besides the tissue boxes that I just bought. But yeah, we have even more toys that he doesn't use. Have a trash bag. What do you do with your kids' toys that they don't use anymore? Do you donate them? Do you put them up free on like OfferUp or something? Do you just throw them out? I don't know, I feel bad throwing it away, so I might just put them all in a bag and then figure out if I can donate them or if I can list them for free, like somebody can come pick them up and take like a big box of toys or something. Also have to be careful because my son's very like, he likes things to be a certain way. So on top of the table we have this giant cube full of mini brands that he built, and if I take that apart, he's gonna cry. Rather wait for him to get home and tell him that we're gonna take that down and put away the mini brands, and then he'll be okay with it. These are super full. He doesn't even play with any of these, but I still want to keep a lot of these just because he used to love these when he was smaller, so they do hold some sort of sentimental value, I guess, even though that's silly, I know, to some people. He used to be obsessed with these plushies so much, and he still watches Sunny Bunny sometimes, so I'm definitely not throwing these out. His mini brands collection is staying. He still loves mini brands and he's still collecting them, so this is for sure staying. It's my beauty room. Please don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone. A lot of stuff everywhere. I have some stuff that I'm hiding for Easter. Their Easter baskets already, and I'm hiding that in here so that my son doesn't see it when he gets home from school. Unopened packages. I have bags of makeup that I want to get rid of. Planning to do some giveaways hopefully soon on my TikTok or on my Instagram. More unopened packages, more stuff. It's just a mess everywhere. Never have enough time to thoroughly go through everything and get everything done the way I want to get it done. So yeah, I just have to kind of rush through everything and leave things halfway done and then go do something else and then come back to it later. So, and then it keeps piling up on top. It's just a lot. I'm going to stop decluttering for now because I am super hungry. My husband should be getting home in like 30 minutes or so. So I'm gonna wait for him to get here and then he can probably help me declutter more of the toys. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'm really hungry. Now we're picking up Leon from school. Did almost finish cleaning out the toy organizer once my husband got home. I still need like 3 more bins, so I'll probably finish that tomorrow when Leon's at school again. This is my mask, by the way. I still wear masks whenever I pick up Leon from school. I don't like people looking at me, so. Social anxiety.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging today.
Yay! Can I be in the vlog?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Careful, careful.
Hi guys, it's me, Leon, and my mom named Connie. Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
We're about to take this down and we organize some over here.
Yeah. To update on the table, I cleared off most of it. It's a little dirty. I have some new containers from Target, and I'm gonna be putting my son's toys in here instead. I'm actually gonna get rid of this table because we bought a new one to match our new carpet and our new couches. We got a new coffee table, which is right here. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's just a black coffee table from Target. Here is the bag that I want to fill up to take to my mom's house. And then this is a bag with makeup that I don't need or want. And then this is the same thing, but I think these are newer. And this one's kind of old. But like I said, I'm just giving it to family, so they don't really mind if some stuff is like swatched or like slightly used. It's still like pretty new, so they don't really mind. I'm gonna get started before I get distracted and then I don't do this. Progress update. I know it looks the same, but this is actually the bag that I'm taking to my mom's house, and then this is now the giveaway bag. And then this bag I haven't gone through yet, and I just finished emptying out this drawer. Now I'm gonna do this drawer down here. I am finally done. The bag that I'm taking to my mom's house is to the top full, and the giveaway bag is almost full as well. I put some stuff in the drawers of things that I need to try out. At least I finished what I wanted to do for today. It was a productive day. Here's the bag that I'm taking to my mom's house, and this is a big bag. It's super heavy. And then here is the giveaway bag. It finally stopped raining. I'm so tired of the rainy days, and today it's finally not raining, but it's windy, so it's cold still. I'm just so ready for the sun and the warm weather. I miss it. I don't know what's going on with California, but it's been cold and rainy lately, and I need the sun. I think today I'm going to take a break from the cleaning. I made progress, but I'm definitely not finished. But I think today I'm just gonna take a break from that because I want some me time. So I think I'm gonna do my makeup today and make some content for my TikTok and my Instagram. Doing some unboxings right now, and how cute is this package that I got from Victor and Rolf? Is the Flower Bomb perfume. I'm so excited for this, and look how cute the packaging came with some rose petals. They sent it in this cute little bag. This made me super happy. I'm probably gonna save the rose petals actually. Here is the aftermath of some of my unboxings. I have to get rid of all of these today. Today we have to take out our trash anyways. Just set up my lights in the makeup room, and it's still too gloomy for my liking. I'm not gonna do my makeup today. I'm just gonna do some unboxings instead. Waiting at the school pickup. Washing his hands after school.
Hi guys! I love vlogs!
I'm feeling pretty burnt out now, so I'm taking a minute to myself, and I'm just going to kind of try to rearrange my makeup room a little bit, like tidy it up. And I'm also going to probably watch some Netflix while I try to tidy up the makeup room. I also just got my period a couple hours ago. So fun. So I really just want to relax. Getting ready to go to the trampoline park today. I'm honestly not in the mood to go anywhere because of this cold, rainy weather. I'm so over it. But I promised Leon that we would go to the trampoline park when he was on spring break. It's almost the end of the first week of his spring break, and then he only has 1 week left. But my husband has this week off, and he doesn't have next week off, so we have to go this week, and it's already Thursday, so we're gonna go see how it goes. I'm gonna pull myself out of this rut. Where are we going today?
The trampoline park!
You ready to go?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Here. Okay. Carefully, carefully. We just got home from the trampoline park and I'm currently eating. We got some takeout. Also immediately put on my robe once we got home. I'm so cold. It's still cold and gloomy even though it stopped raining. Leon had a fun time at the trampoline park, right Leon?
Yeah.
I was feeling very anxious at the trampoline park. I had lots of anxiety because they do make you sign a waiver that basically says, you know, if anything happens to you or your kids, they're not responsible at all. And trampolines can be dangerous. So I was just anxious the whole time. I didn't jump. I was just keeping an eye on him. The husband did also jump with him. So they were together. Thankfully it wasn't super packed. There wasn't a lot of people there today since it is during the week and it was kind of early.
Yeah, since we left, like a lot of people left at the same time.
Yeah, people were leaving at the same time that we did. Also, with the weather being so gloomy, I'm pretty sure that's why a lot of people don't really want to go out when it's raining or gloomy. I'm glad we did it though. He really wanted to experience going to the trampoline park and playing in the trampolines for a little bit. So that's what he wanted, so we decided we would do that during his spring break and check that off the list. But yeah, I was just anxious, worrying, you know, making sure he didn't hurt himself. He did bite his lip a little bit when he was jumping, so he does have a little cut on his lip from biting it. But it's not bad. It's just a little cut that happened, I think, when he was jumping and talking at the same time, and he didn't even feel it. I was the one that noticed it. So he should be fine with that. And you had fun overall, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna eat my food now, and then after that, I'm gonna take him a quick bath. Tomorrow, we're going to my parents' house. Saturday, we're going to my sister-in-law's house, and then Sunday, we're going to get him a haircut. So it's gonna be a busy weekend. Okay, I'm gonna go eat.
Bye.